I'm giving y'all an impromptu mukbang from Nashville, Tennessee, baby. This is leftovers from, what's the name of that place?
Juicy Seafood.
Juicy Seafood in Nashville, Tennessee. Shout out to my boo Brianna. She was the best waitress ever. She was awesome. Good personality, good spirit, everything. She was so much fun. Well, we exchanged numbers and she subscribed to my YouTube channel and she was just the best waitress. The light of the restaurant. Hey girl, hey Bree. But I'm about to do a mukbang from leftover juicy seafood. This is corn on the cob. It's kind of cold because I didn't heat it up much. And so is the potato because I didn't want my crabs to be overcooked. And I had some, what is this? Pink lemonade margarita. Trying core water for the first time. All this time I thought it was spring water, how people rave about it, but come to find out it's purified. So I'm gonna start with these.
Yeah. These.
Come on now. Well, let's see if we can get a meat pull. Nope. I thought, oh, this might be a little spicy. This Kanika, this one is Kanika leftover cluster that she gave me. She likes spice. Our flight is 7 in the morning. We gotta leave at 5 in the morning, so we about to watch a little bit of movies and go to sleep. It is like 11 p.m. right now. Oh yeah. But in Nashville, Tennessee, it's been so much fun. Met some great people. Had some good memories. Made some good memories, rather. Ooh. A lot of people was like, what's in Nashville, Tennessee? Why y'all going there? We like to travel from state to state. Yeah. Oh yeah, I am. I'm not gonna forget. That's my cousin asking me to put the pictures up that we took earlier. I got you. I got you. Ooh, I'm gonna mess up my nail. But yeah, our Airbnb. Y'all will see that video before you see this one. Before y'all see this one. That's so nice. You talking about get cool? It's central air. So it's air in every room. Ceiling fan in every room. The ceiling fan alone. When I tell you the ceiling fan alone, I feel like an air conditioner. It's freezing right now, right here. It's not freezing, but it's cold. My cousin be having the air on damn 0. Like 0 below. Like he live in Alaska or something. It got so cold that I had to turn the heat on just to get in the shower. I already packed. I think they're packing now. I already packed my stuff to go home. I'm actually ready to go home. Get ready for my pretty girl Kay's birthday party. A surprise birthday party by the time she see this. My party will be over, but the theme is Kaychella. Instead of Beachella and Coachella, it's Kaychella. It's about to be so much fun. Alright, we gotta get a meat pool because whenever I'm not filming, I probably won't even eat this corn. I'll probably get this potatoes with Kanika. I just want the bread. I'll probably eat the corn just so it won't go away. It's like we always get stuck with leftovers the day before we about to leave, and we can't take the stuff with us, so we gotta eat it or either throw it out. We not about throwing food out. At least I'm really not. We actually didn't really go to Walmart, and we went to Walmart, but we didn't go to Walmart to really shop like we usually do. And which is good because we would have had leftover stuff from Walmart, leftover stuff from this. But we had a good time. All good vibes. I did get a lot of kind of weird stares sometimes with my outfits. Y'all know how women. But some people will call it risque outfits, especially being a fat girl. But some people probably stare because they never saw maybe a fat girl in a crop top, or I don't know. That's how it was in Atlanta. Or maybe they can't handle the fashion. Maybe they're not used to such a nice fashion sense. That's what I'm thinking. So let them stare, baby. Let them stare. And when they stare, you just smile, or you wave, or you just get them to look back like, yeah, I'm that bitch. What Drake said? So thick that everyone else in the room is so uncomfortable. I like my girls BBW. No, yeah, I'm tipsy. I'm past tipsy. I'm drunk, I ain't gonna lie. I thought I wasn't drunk anymore because I was drunk that water, but I'm still drunk. But yeah, so going coming here. We didn't have to get our temperatures checked like with the other airline, but it was the same social distancing. Like you had to keep your distance, wear masks all the time. Plane ride wasn't bad. It was a lot of turbulence though, a lot. But I mean, distance-wise, it was only like an hour and a half or so. But that turbulence, woo child. That turbulence was an ass kicker. So you just pray and just wait. So everybody said they would come back. I said, I mean, I wouldn't mind coming back, but I can't see myself coming back. I can't see myself coming back. I mean, I wouldn't mind, but I feel like, what would I come back for, you know? Y'all know I really like places where as though it's like more so a beach, a resort, pool, and all that. I'm not just gonna come back somewhere for food and drink. I could have come back here and say hi to Brie, but other than that, nah, I don't think I would do that. What else can I tell y'all? I know one thing, I can't wait to take these braids out. Y'all will be getting, well, depending on how I feel, but I got in my head that I'm going to do a video on taking down my braids, taking them out, and let y'all see how to take out jumbo box braids. My first time ever getting braids that's big like this, a jumbo box braid. So this is my first time ever taking out jumbo box braids, so we'll be doing it together. But this is just like taking out regular box braids, but easier because they're bigger. I'm gonna show you how to take out my hair, and probably a little chit chat with story time. Cause there's always something going on. There's always story time or something. And I have a little bite of corn. It's so sweet and good and cold though. Yeah, I'm making Kanika that potato. Put it right on her plate. What else? We went to the Jack Daniels distillery today. It was a good tour. We had 6 shots of Jack Daniels. When I tell y'all, That stuff gave me an instant buzz because I didn't eat. It gave me an instant buzz. And we didn't eat because it was, well, I didn't eat. It was so early. All I had was the little mini banana pudding, Patty LaBelle banana pudding. And that was it. And water. Ooh. I'd be so scared I'm gonna break a tooth. I'm too old to be cracking these with my teeth. You know? Oh, I thought you were asleep. I'm filming. You want that potato? Your plate over there. I'm gonna put it on your plate.
Everybody sleep?
They sleep? Oh. Yeah. I told you I was recording.
No, you said you want this potato.
No, I said, alright, I can play it back. I said I'm recording. You want this potato?
I hear that. Okay.
Y'all didn't I say that? Everybody come home. Let me tell y'all how we just came from a restaurant. What leftovers? Everybody came home to eat their food. Like, we could have ate it at the restaurant. And we eating this damn seafood. Like, we're starving. Oh my God. When I tell y'all that pork chop was so good that she had, it was delicious. Best pork chop I ever had in my life. And I had the scallops. They were really good. My cousin, he had the lamb chops. I didn't try them, but he said they were good. Our waitress, I forgot her name. She was thebomb.com. The restaurant is called Rainbow, I believe. But overall, I had a good time, yeah. You finished making? Mm-hmm. Damn, that was fast. That's because you don't unpack like I do. Mm-hmm. I come to these places to act like I live here. Can you do it? Just say stop. Alright, y'all, I was back before I was rudely interrupted. I don't know what I was talking about. But I'm almost done. I think I'm gonna talk a little bit more and then finish off camera because
Is your mom ever on camera?
You gotta watch it. She finally made a cameo. She did.
The only one I seen when she was you had the Cookie Monster?
Cookie Monster.
That banana pudding.
Did you see when she walked up?
She was like, can I get the thing? She was lying. Can I get a taste?
No, her and my neighbor is so funny. You gotta see that one. Because she's been in there, but I never see it like this. My mom was like, but a full video, her and my neighbor, we did 2 parts. So funny. Because the one with the, unique, Oreo banana pudding, that was just for the cooking group on Facebook. I didn't put that on YouTube. Wow. When I tell you that video was so funny. So funny. I had to edit and edit and edit and edit. Cause them two, baby. So everybody loved them so much that they wanted, cause my neighbor, he wanted to do a podcast, but I didn't know how to do a podcast because I rather be seen on camera versus just talking.
Well, some of them you can do video too.
I know, but I feel like don't have to be sole purpose. Like, what makes that different from just doing a regular video? I didn't get it. Anywho, he wanted it to be called Real Talk. So all my subscribers, they was down for it. They was like, what's up with the Real Talk? Let's do it. He funny. Everybody likes him. My mom and me, all our energy. So we did film one. Y'all, that video is sitting. It's sitting in the scheduled videos. Will y'all ever see it? I don't know. Cause some people, it's too graphic for YouTube. I think it was me, my mom, Jen, Crystal, and my neighbor. I'm sorry you out here keep on telling them. You can't say that. I'm tired of being on your damn channel. You can't say this. You can't say that. You can't say this. I might post a video on me. We all see it. Y'all probably gonna be like, this video gotta be old. I might look totally different from then. Yeah, I'm drunk. I thought I was sober because I started drinking that water at the restaurant, but I'm really still drunk. And I'm still drinking.
But you were drinking at the restaurant too. You were drinking at the restaurant too.
Well, yeah, I was drinking at the restaurant too. But I drank water after that.
It don't matter if you're already drunk.
Oh, I still like it. Well, I thought the water was going to sober me up. I thought. What? I did.
Do you think one glass of water is going to sober
I
you
had
up?
3 glasses of water. 3. If not 4. Because I had my water, and then I had your water, and then she poured more.
So let's do these calculations.
Look, I thought I was sober.
We had 1 drink at the restaurant. Before that, you had 4 drinks?
Why are you telling them all my business? How you know I wanted them to know I had 4 drinks? All I told these people I was drunk. They don't even know how many drinks I had. Yeah, see my business. Don't do that. Don't do that. Look at that meat. We got that meat. Oh.
I'm going to walk away because I got to.
Why you about to fall? Why you about to fall?
I lost my balance right here.
Where you going? Oh, I consider it. She would have blew you all away. I want her to do a mukbang with us because she can eat food really good. Y'all really like her doing a mukbang. Well, can I show them your food?
No.
Your food?
Oh, yeah.
Girl, calm down. She ate the corn, but this is her pork chop. Oh, wait. Lift it up so everything. I don't want to touch it. Y'all, a pork chop. So good. Delicious. What you thought I said? He was like, oh, you want to go all your little food. How many left? 2. Damn. Any more Sprite? Mm-hmm. I guess I don't have juice tonight either.
It's fucking freezing here.
I turned the ear off. He turned it back on. Turn it off. You always gonna be to do the better. I turned it off. As soon as I came in, that's the first thing I did.
When he turned it on, he came in.
Oh, for real? No. I turned it off. But I know what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to turn it off because it got hot as I don't know what last night. I'm going to, yeah, turn it up a little. It was too hot. And that fan, I can't do it. How many movies you watching tonight? Who's that?
I am.
Oh, you tired? You don't
I
want to watch
watched
it?
fucking 10 o'clock.
Alright, well, we have to watch it.
But I'll finish the movie off.
The one we was watching?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you at least watch? Ooh, please watch the others. Because you said you never saw it before.
I don't think so.
Yeah, let's watch it. Let's watch the movie because that movie is by the time we turn it on, it's probably gonna be over within the next. And we talking about play the whole thing over. We're not doing all that. You just gonna have to remember what you remember.
What's the name of that one?
The Darkness or something. Darkness or something like that.
Yeah, I'm lost with that one.
All right, we'll just have to do a refresher, but You can't play the whole thing over.
No, I knew when I get home.
There you go. This video almost 20. It's already 20 minutes.
You can't fucking find crab leg.
Oh, you can't be cussing on my feelings like that. No, I didn't. It was, why you doing that? First you told these people I had 4 drinks. They clearly saw because I told them my food. It was not no food. See, I should be lying. Just lying. It was 3 clusters. Ain't my business. All wrong. Once again. Ooh. A little bit here. I had something else to tell y'all. Oh, I hope that didn't get on my neck again. See, this is the shit I gotta deal with. Then I'm cussing. Only cuss when I get around them. This is stuff I gotta deal with. You hear him? Lord. It's true.
I'm not sure.
Then why? Why is he saying that? Y'all hear that? I know y'all hear it. If y'all don't. Yeah, he's going to be smart every time. I'm about to leave. And then he's trying to be smart. That's why I can never have a roommate. Never. I can never have a roommate. Tanika, you threw it away? Now, how you know I didn't want it?
What, the corn?
No, the meat. You ate it?
That was not meat. That was fed.
It was? Oh, okay.
Fee-fi.
Yo, show them what you just did. Show them what you just did. Because we done heard you out there. And I'm like, you see the stuff I got to deal with? Because he tried to be smart. Then I had to end the video. No, come and show them what you just did. I smell the blood of an African. That's what it said. Yo. I forgot what I was talking about earlier. I'm sorry, but I'm sidetracked now.
Wait, y'all heard me say that from in there? The fee-fi food.
But if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see that I didn't on my phone. And that I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. And leave me a comment on how I got this video. Until next time, I'll see y'all. Bye, my fashion house. Bye, y'all.
What? What the fuck did you just say?
Can you stop recording? Can you stop recording? But tell them what I said.
You couldn't have heard me say fee-fi so far.
Yes, we did. I'm going to replay it for you. Just stop it. No, stop.